Welcome to AORUS 101. Today we're going to show you a super helpful feature for PC builders. It's called DriverBIOS. Have you ever seen this happen? You just finished installing Windows, and then it asks you to connect to the internet, but you're stuck. If you don't have a wired internet connection, you have to find another way to get past that step. That's kind of a hassle, right? That's where DriverBIOS comes in. It makes Windows setup a lot easier. We built the Wi-Fi driver right into the BIOS. That means once you finish installing Windows, Wi-Fi works right away. Just install Windows and go online. Let's take a look at how it actually works. This is the Windows setup screen. In the past, you would get stuck here. Windows would ask you to connect to the internet. But if your PC has DriverBIOS, you'll see that Windows can connect to Wi-Fi right away. Your PC can go online as soon as it turns on. Right now, DriverBIOS is only available on our new X870 and B850 AORUS STEALTH ICE motherboards. But don't worry, we plan to bring this feature to more AORUS models in the future. It's a breakthrough feature from GIGABYTE that puts us ahead of the competition, making Windows installation smoother, faster, and more user-friendly than ever. GIGABYTE will keep working on more smart and exciting features to make building your own PC easier, faster, and smarter. If you have any questions or need help with AORUS 101, feel free to leave us a comment. We'll see you next time.